Okay, so this is Peerless's bifolding door. We're going to talk about adjustments and what your reveal should be set at. So the first thing we'll talk about are the reveals. The reveal between your end panels and jamb should be between 1/2 inch and 9/16. You can check it with a tape measure or some shims. So checking this with shims or a tape measure, you can see that this unit's a little tight. We'll need to adjust it out. To check your sill reveal and your height, take an 1/8 inch shim and ensure that it clears completely underneath the thermal break of the weather seal. Let's take a closer look at what that means. So your 1/8 inch shim should be coming completely up against this component of the frame and underneath the weather seal base. This unit is too low and needs to be raised. The shim should fit snugly under the gasket base with not much vertical wiggle.